Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do for a Dremel accessory, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So, when I went to Walmart, previous video just showed a bunch of stuff I picked up, including, these cheap little 10-foot extension cords and, some grounded plugs, split plugs, or you have more than one. I picked up this Dremel item at Walmart, and it's an accessory. It's a 678-01. It's a circle cutter and straight edge guide. Thought it was actually pretty neat, and for the $11 that it was, a lot of the Dremel accessories I bought, were well over $15–20. We're gonna cut this open real quick. I need to pick up another one of these Warrior cutters because I like it so well. But get this out the way. This was actually hanging on a section of the shelf. I don't think it belonged. I didn't see a price tag for it. I actually asked somebody to scan it for me. It's actually pretty heavy. Alright, so we got out the package. It does come with a bit too. It's a very interesting style bit. Looks similar to a spiral drill bit, but it doesn't have the double fluting. It's actually very interesting. It comes with your, looks like a 3 easy ways to register. Actually, this is an actual registration form if you want to send it in. Most of them don't come with these anymore, but that's pretty nice. It does have your operator and safety instructions. Does have a spring right here. It's kind of nice. And it won't come off, so it's not going to just randomly fall out. This is your depth adjustment, millimeters, 0 to 20, inches, 1/4, ½ inch, 3/4 inch. Little spiders. And you just lock this guy down. Holds it in place for your depth. Slide this in the spot you want. Look at this again. Looks like this might be on the wrong side. According to this picture, the spike's supposed to be down. I think the spike's supposed to be that direction, like that. Turn it this way. Yep. So it must have been just that way for packaging. It's supposed to look like that. That way it could stop at the end where it's supposed to stop. pivot foot, yep, center point, pivot foot knob, yeah. So it was just that way for packaging. But it's a really neat accessory. Shows you what it fits, what models it fits. 4200, 4000, 400, 3000, 300, 398, 395, 285, 200, 275, 100, 8000, 220, 80, 200, 80, 100, 800. It does not fit the 770 or the 7700. Doesn't fit the 750. It doesn't fit the 1100. It doesn't fit the 7300 model. But it's a nice, neat little attachment. Yeah, I think it's very cool. Helps you make circles, stuff like that. It's pretty cool in my opinion. I figured, you know, I might as well give it a try. You know, for 11 bucks, hey, every time I see a new attachment, I always grab it. It actually feels very well made. It is bolted here to this base. It is nice that this guy does this sleeve, this depth sleeve doesn't just randomly fly out as well. It's got a lip on the inside so it can't come any further out. It's nice that the knob is partially spring loaded. Looks like a square nut, you know, so if something breaks you could probably just replace that. And this guy, just flip it that direction when it's in storage. You know, I'm gonna be giving it a try when I have a use for it. I didn't buy it because I needed it right then and there. I did buy it because, you know, it was nice to see something new. That was why I bought it. And I like picking up Dremel accessories. You know, they'll come in handy when I do need one. But it's a nice little attachment. You know, it's always nice to be able to do circles, especially if you're like doing some lighting, recessing lighting, or, you know, it even states that you can use this for speakers, stuff like that. Circle cutter and a straight edge guide. The straight edge guide will come in handy when you just want to go so far in on something and you want to use it as a router, because it actually goes all the way through, so this would stick out through this hole at the bottom, which is nice. So you could also use this as a router, which is neat. And I do have the router accessories for my Dremel, so it's a nice little package. It does come with you know, everything it looks like you need. I do appreciate you guys sticking around. You know, I will probably do a video on it when I do use it, for whatever I'm using it for, whether I'm using it as a straight edge guide, which is what this guy is for, which you would just unscrew this right here, pull this piece out, and then you would assume you would do like that. Yep. Just thread this guy on here. I get it. There it goes. And now it's a straight edge guide. So if you need this closer to the project, boom. Just like that. So it's actually really nicely built. It is actually quite heavy for what it is. Maybe I'll do another video and I'll weigh it. You know, this piece alone is pretty heavy. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me and checking this tool out, or this accessory out. It's a nice little package, you know, for $11, and I think it was like 80 cents or something like that. You know, you can't go wrong. It's a pretty good deal. come in handy when I need a straight edge guide, or I need a, you know, make circles, and I'll already have it. Appreciate you guys watching and sticking around with me today. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I'm sure I'll find this on Amazon, so I'll link this. If I find it on Amazon, I'll link it down below, so you guys can go check it out. Especially if it's around the same price on Amazon, I'll definitely link it. If it's more expensive on Amazon, I will not link it, but it is part number or item number 678-01. If you guys need any of that information. Appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!